So it's Friday today. So it's just been a week of working on that collection from Diva. I'm at the stage now where I'm making like the accessories, the last few bits. But I'm also making some more star bags for online. So I've been making this type in a kind of cream colour, but then I'll add all the little bits on there. So I'm going to make 5, so I'll give 1 to Diva and then I'll make 4 for online. So I'm just going to try and get them done as much as I can today and then see where I am after. Still so cold in the studio. But yeah, that is the plan for today. I've cut out everything yesterday, so I have all of that, all the bits for the bags cut out. It's just the construction today, so I'm just gonna see how much I get through. Yeah, nothing too exciting, so I'm just gonna get on with it. Okay. It's Tuesday today, and I'm just working my way through all the bags. Hopefully get them finished today, and then I can go back to doing the final bits of the new collection. Let me show you where I am with things. So I have 5 of these bags all at this stage. So the base of them is done. I'll show you here. So I've got 5 done altogether. So what I need to do now is add the strap. So I've been searching for like the proper rings for it. So I'm hoping, I just picked these up. I'm hoping these work. I just bought 2 to see if they work, and if they do, I'll get the rest of them. So I'm going to see what they look like with the strap added on and go from there. I'm just about to bring the new collection into Home Diva, so I've got it all bagged up. I got my skirts, so I got my tops and my bags there, got 2 dresses and the skirts there. I still have one more dress, but I'm not fully finished it, so I'm going to leave it in at another time. But yeah, so I'm just going to get this all over to Home Diva now and collect the old collection. Yeah, that's the plan for today. As usual, it was really quite rushed towards the end. I didn't have a lot of time, so I did get some photos and videos of styling each piece, just so I can make reels and that kind of thing after leaving it in. So maybe I'll put some of them up here. But I'm quite happy with how it turned out, and it's a smaller collection this time, but I can add pieces to it if they sell well, and yeah, we'll just see how it goes.